Hey friends, if you wish to use word picture editing tools to edit images, then please watch this video. Now, as an example, I will add an image first. Insert image, this device. Okay, I have this image of a cute dog here. I will add it. Okay. So, if I click outside, I won't get the picture editing tool. Okay. But if I click on this picture, I'll notice that there's a picture format tool here. So in this picture format tool, I can use the remove background option to remove the background. Okay. Then I can make a lot of corrections to the what do we say, contrast, brightness, etc. I can change the color of the what do we say, background. I can add more artistic effects like this blur effect. Oh, I mean, it looks ridiculous. The dog is gone, but anyway, let's focus on our work. And then I can add transparency. I can also compress the picture if I'm exiting it. I can change the picture as well. Okay, let me change this picture and get the dog back. And I can reset the picture. Let's say I remove the background. Okay, I said I remove the background. How do I bring the background back? Simply click on reset picture. And at times you may reset the picture but not the size. So if you want to reset both of them, then there's an option. I can add a frame to this. I'll choose this frame. It looks good. And then I can add a picture border. Let's say that the border is white. I don't like white. I like yellow. And then I can add picture effects. For example, a shadow. Whenever you scroll over an effect, it does show it. And then I can add a layout. Let's say that I want a picture layout like this one. Okay, this is what I can do. But I will go to back to the picture format tab and I'll reset the picture. And then, okay, back to this. And then I can write alt text to it. I can change its position. Let's say that I prefer this position or this position. And then I can also crop the picture. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.